In this video, we will discuss about heuristic algorithms. Heuristic algorithm is used for the optimization of a particular problems. In operation research, is the whole set of methods involving finding the most appropriate solution for a given particular problems. Mathematical modeling of a real complex problem of the world is scientific field that use scientific method such as algorithms and statistics. It optimize the optimal solution for a query optimization problem. The most desirable, the most desirable solutions in general, and for example, NP complete is used for solve the problems such as decision problems like that. Optimization problem are making your fitness function, minimizing or maximize maximum in order other word increasing productivity in a company is maximizing optimization while reducing the duration of business in a company is minimum optimization. In fact, we face many times in our daily life with optimize for example, when I write the article, I try to set up shorter sentences that will give the same clarifications while to minimum optimize optimizing to maximize when searching for more and more effective how to work today. Optimization problems are classified as discrete or continuous optimization according to the structure of the decision variable. In the mathematical model, in some places, you can see intermittent optimization and combinatorial interrupt, interrupted optimization. Variable include restricted set, for example, the famous traveling salesman problems to solve with the intermittent optimization, continuous optimizations problem or the problems or problem that do limit the variables. Integration optimization algorithm find a place to find a solution to the optimization problem. In operational researches, real life question that need to be solved most first because in, into a mathematical model that's using these mathematical formulas as a criteria aim to find the best solution in sort of time. Heuristic optimization algorithms do not guarantee the best solution. The algorithm is considered to be solved effective as too quickly reaches a good solutions. It is an iterative process. Find one particular solution and find then another find solutions. It may be second is better than first, or third is better than second, third is better than first. It can be happening heuristic algorithms. So there are different types of algorithms. Some algorithm we will discuss in this lecture. First of all, a very known algorithm called genetic algorithms. So genetic algorithms are subcategories of evolutionary algorithms. Uh, It is inspired by the theory of evolution, with features such as mutation, crossover, and selection, parameters, and system diagnosis, control system, robot application, image, and voice recognition engineering, design, planning, artificial intelligence applications. They are widely used of genetic algorithm in this particular area, such as expert system function and combinatorial optimization problem, such as network design problem, routing problems, scheduling problems, social and economic planning problems. Uh, they are used in many different areas. Second is swarm intelligence. This is also a type of heuristic algorithms. So the algorithms are search algorithms that are inspired by the moment of the swarm in nature. A lot of the individual interact with each other to solve the certain problems. There are a lot of algorithms famous among them in particle swarm optimization, activial bee colony, ant colony, firefly algorithms. Third is taboo search, solving the prohibited against the next step to prevent the repetitive movement during these steps leading up. Uh, thus, regional research is conducted to investigate solution to achieve the best solution. Simulated annealing. Simulated annealing. 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 Okay. The simulated annealing algorithm can give or reasonable approximation for function or a particular function with a large search space. The place decide between probabilistic survival and revisions to another situation. This will direct the system to low energy electronic circuit design and widely used in the solution of the problem, such as image processing, road finding problem, travel problems. And the fifth is artificial neural networks. Artificial neural networks are very functional model for pattern recognition and machine learning, which characterize new patterns from required training data. It was inspired by the neurons function in animal brain, many areas such as speech synthesis, analysis, image processing, etc. It will be used very successfully. And six, support vector machines. Support vector machines. What is support vector machines? Is model that grabs pattern and analyze data by using training data and with artificial intelligence. These algorithms are used for regression analysis and classification purpose. Using the sample data, the algorithm will sort a new sample into groups. These SVM are the subset of artificial intelligence that system learn from knowledge in machine learning and required training data, analyzing training data before analyzing new examples. Sample problems like traveling salesman problems Among the cities uh, with distance from each other, the traveler is a problem of solving the minimum distance provided by provided that all the cities has to pass through once. And second column is n queen problems. The chessboard is a problem. Is the problem of being stalled on road in such a way that there are no points of attack on vegetarian until end. So, what is the logic behind it? Let us talk a little bit about the rationally. As you know, from the heuristic optimization algorithm, we aim to find the best solution in the shortest possible time or probing search space available. Let us let's come to probing. Let's say we are going to place three different volume shape in a box with a volume of 500. Let's write the some formulas that first object occupy the space of the last object Q in the same way as the square of the lowest object in the second object. We can take the mathematical model such as x1 square plus x2 square plus x3 square equal to 500 and try to find the value of x1, x2 and x3. Uh, the problem space in the search space x1, x2, x3 represented a minimum and maximum and minimum value range uh, of the parameters. We have set the random values of these particular variables and try to find the best possible values in our search space. So, uh, search space x1, x2, x3 represent the maximum and minimum value range of the parameter values. Setting a limit on parameter, we will use in the equation of a problem at and will see the solution reached. If the limit is not set, an infinite number of clusters will appear for all parameters and more uh, the search space are limited faster very we will go to restrict search space. So we must determine the minimum and maximum value that each parameter can take. So we can approach solving faster. Of course, search space should be carefully determined. By trying not to exclude value that might be better solution uh, from the search space, you must determine the parameter value range according to your probing. I have problem x1, x2, x3 set these limit thinking that the value from minus 30 to 30 could be produce a solution. Also, when solving a problem, let's assume that we have formulated our fitness function so that there is no space in the box. In this case, the rest of the box is made to be minimized. Initially, random solution set are created infinite value of resulting solution set are found. Let's create a random set of three solutions. Solution number one, x1 equal to 10, x2 15, and x3 minus 6. Second, x1 minus 25, x2 29, and x3 10. x1 10, x2 10, and x3 4 in the third. Now we must calculate the fitness value of these solutions cluster. The suitability value is determined by intentions parameters, and their suitability for solution of problem is examined by replacing the values. I will check the distance of 500 degree by subtracting 500 degree from our problem equation. We have to use absolute value because we need to get clear distance of 500 large or small. Here you will benefit from formulating between 0 and 1 to make the eligibility value more reducible. I formulate it as 1 divided by 1 plus temperature. So how to find these conclusion values are divided uh, minus minus 500. So try to find the first solution values, 10 square plus 15 square and minus 6 cube, minus 6 cube. Okay, cube है. So we will write 100 plus 150. One. Okay. Minus 6 the cube equal to 500. Then 500 minus, so when we calculating these values, we find the solution. 500 minus 109 equal to 319 equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 319 equal to 0.0025 is the value of first solution. In the similar way, we can find uh, second solution value, that is 0.028, and similarly third 0.0024. After finding these values, search algorithms try to reach better solution cluster by applying the special processes to them. Because of them form we create here, it return one in the best solution. Oh, where is the best solution? Our aim is to find the minimum values of these particular search variable. So 0.0025 is the minimum value. So we can say the solution number one is the best of rest of these solutions. I give the example above to understand the working logic of the most of the heuristic optimization. We randomly set the solution cluster in search space. At startup, the math functions uh, I was building was purely exempt, exemplary. There are also mathematical functions to test the performance of heuristic optimization algorithm. Okay, and the next installment you will can reinforce that is described by the looking an example of such algorithm as the example of heuristic optimization algorithms or genetic algorithms and colony optimization, particle swarm optimization, artificial bee colony, differential evolution algorithms, simulated annealing, gravity search algorithm, gas Brownian motion optimization, heat transfer search, optic electromagnetic field optimization, optic inspired optimization, weight superposition attractions, forest optimization algorithm, hurricane based optimization algorithm, hurricane based optimization algorithm, firefly algorithms, and tree seed algorithms. There are these are the different types of heuristic optimization algorithms. So stop recording.